Hello class and welcome to CTC101 at Post University. My name is Eric LaCharity and I have the honor and privilege of serving as your faculty member this term. What an exciting time this is. This is a chance for new beginnings. This is a chance for you to commit yourselves to this class and give these 8 weeks the best of your attention, the best of your abilities, and you will see drastic improvements both in your abilities as a student and as a future professional. So let's talk a little bit about this term. Like I said, it's going to take place over 8 weeks and you are going to experience a host of topics that will help you navigate this journey through higher education, navigate this journey through your professional career, and we're going to explore topics such as financial literacy, time management, study skills, writing skills, and so much more. Each week will present a different opportunity for you to step outside of your comfort zone, engage with your classmates, and really make the most of this opportunity. The one thing I hear from students after the course, every time I do this, is that they say, I wish I invested more time from the beginning. I wish I interacted with my classmates more. So this is a chance for you from day one to do both of those things and really give your all from the start. I am accessible via email, text, phone, however you want to reach out to me, I am here for you. We're going to go on this journey together. So just know that I am here as a resource. In addition to me, Post has an infinite amount of resources that you can take advantage of, and we'll talk about those throughout the term as well. So, welcome again. This is really exciting for me. If you can't see right now, I just had surgery on my knee not too long ago, so I am like in a leg brace. I have been immobile. I have not been outside, so look, there's no tan here or anything like that. But hopefully in the next few weeks, I'll be up and about. But that just means I have more time to sit down and interact with you all in this class on Blackboard. So I hope all is well. Welcome again. Welcome to Post. Welcome to CTC 101, and I look forward to working with all of you. Have a great term, everybody. Bye.